guys, welcome to Beauty by Carolee channel. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. I'll use this palette and I'm gonna start with this color here. Look how pigmented this palette is. Oh god, I love a product. And excuse my face. Oh wow. Anyways, that's my face with pimples. After this color, I'm gonna use this lilac color from England. That one. Make sure you blend the color properly. So after this color, I'm gonna use this this deep burgundy color from England. So this is it, going back with the same brush that I use for my two colors and blend everything. Take your time with blending. So after that, I'm gonna go with the black from the Fantastic palette from MX Cosmetics, and I'm going with this black. Go back and start blending. Blend, blend, blend. After that, after all the blend, I'm gonna use the MAC pen pot to cut my crease. After I've done this, I'm gonna go back and use a pink shade. Like so. And after that, you go back with the black and intensify the outer corner, outer V with the black, and blend it with the pink. So with the sharp brush, just intensify the cut crease and kind of like push it upwards so it looks like you blend it. I'm not sure if you guys could see what I'm doing. Can sure you go back to the pink if you've taken a lot of pink out and blend it. After that, I'm gonna use the NYX pigment in gold. Just patch it and kind of like blend it with the pink. back with the black. We just want the color to marry with each other. So that is that. What I would do, because I want the eye to have a little bit of wow factor, I'm gonna put a glitter on it. And these glitters, actually there are a few, I got them from eBay, and they come in this little pot. And I'm gonna use the NYX glitter primer to add glitter on my eyes. Just a little. Ooh. Oh, look. I love this mascara. I've been using this for years now. I'm serious. Years, not 1 or 2. Oh, it's like 5 or 4 years I've been using this mascara, and it's not cheap. Fun fact about me, I can't put my lashes on without a tweezer. No, I can't. Even on someone else, I have to use a tweezer. And a tweezer, I have a specific tweezer that I have to use, and it's bloody expensive too. Perfect. Perfecto. I'll take this one off. I look like a drag queen. Let me get rid of this. How good is that? Did you see that? How to get rid of glitters on your face. So 1 pump, 2 pump. Anyways, I like using a lot of foundation because I have a face to cover. I have a big face to cover, firstly. Secondly, I have a breakout face that needs, you know, let's see. Yeah, that will do. That will do. See? Don't throw things out, Caroline. I was just thinking, what am I gonna do with this foundation? See? You have a solution. My forehead needs a smaller brush because of this frontal business. Seriously. The MAC concealers, I am still 50-50 with these concealers. Oh, this is the darker one. This goes there. Let's blend it. Let's blend it. So that is that, and now I will set my face using Sacha Buttercup. Don't bake if you have dry face. If you do, use a lot and a lot of face spray, yes, to set your face and to bring out your dewiness. Ooh, what do you guys think? I am loving the whole situation here, but I'm not loving the glitter on my face like this. Come on, give me a break. Glitter, this is what happens when you use glitter. They're just popping anyhow. Darker, darker. So now I'll be using my blush from MAC Cosmetics, and this is in shade Noir, to control my face because I don't feel like using cream contour product to contour my face because they take forever to blend. This is just another powdered form, but I can just do like this and slim this face. Lightly to contour my nose, and this is it. To contour my nose, yes, with a small brush that I like. Boom. And I take it all the way to my eyebrows. All the way to my eyebrows. Like so, like so. Let's try to blend it properly so I don't look like a clown. This is what happens when I don't have music. I am talking a lot to myself. Do I need medication? I don't think so. Not yet. Not yet. So I'm using the same colors that I use as transition colors and as everything on top, on the bottom. That's the easiest way to explain it, I guess. How do people film without music? Oh my god.
Spells.